Hi, this is Jules, just Jules, with the Coma Jawbone Buckle bracelet. It's a silicone replacement secure band for a chrome watch for the Coma. The Coma slides into right here. And on the back here is the adjustable band. It's black, it's silicone, it's very soft, it's very flexible. You can see here this is the adjustable watch band. Lots of people who get these sometimes get a specific color, or sometimes their watch bands wear out, and this is a replacement, so it's always good to have these on hand. So here it is without being buckled. It's just like a regular watch band. Here's the back where you slide in your jawbone right here. And then here's the front where you would see the front of it. I heard these are really good, so this is on one of my to get lists to help with my fitness tracking and stuff. So I already have a replacement band for when I get it. So it's on my to get list. So I'm working on striving to get one because I really like them. I really like the Fitbit Altas, so I hope to get one very soon. Thank you.